Emfethu ngithunyiwe la and kubukeka sengathi ngithunywe kuwena. Thiwa kuwena ngisho ukuthi stop being too available and stop being desperate. Uyazi ukuthi i-access, too much availability makes you to be undervalued because scarcity creates value. Something that is scarce, that everyone wants it but can't get hold of it, the value, the price of that thing increases. And if it's too available, there's no value. The value drops. The most available person in the room is the less respected person in the room. Stop being desperate. Stop being too available. The desperation is an energetic signature in your aura. It pushes away the very same thing that you are desperate for. It pushes it away. Look, masikhuluma ngama credits. Kunento ekuthiwa i-utilization, credit utilization. Mabe check i-credit score yakho. Yakha 15% of your credit score. Utilization. They check ukuthi wena if you have 10,000 available, what percentage do you spend? If when you spend 50% of 10,000, they see that you are desperate and then you are not going to get it. Or they're gonna charge you huge interest. Ngoba ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho sisuka khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, yabona. Yabona ke being too available kuzokwenza ukuthi udrop. Babefuna ucomment wena bayazi ukuthi uzocomment. They know ukuthi they got you. Babekudinga wena bayazi ukuthi bazokuthola. And by the time when you become available too often, you think you are going to be valued because you are valuable. It's the opposite. They can tell you what you are valued, you are appreciated because you are available, but emakhoneni they just laugh at you. You are too available. Awukho busy. You don't even take yourself serious. Being too available. It drops your value. The very same value that we are trying to increase. Let me be available.